Hey everyone, welcome to the Globe Guys in Manila, and this is a Shangri-La Makati.
So we've just arrived in Manila and we're in the Shangri-La shuttle direct to the airport. We've been given a bottle of water and a nice cold towel, which is great whenever you land into a hot Asian city. This is what you need.
Thank you very much.
And here we are at the Makati Shangri-La here in Manila, and we're in room 2519, which is the Horizon Club room. And yeah, it's a pretty big room, it's really nice. It's a little bit dated, I think, but you know, it's still got that elegance that we really like in an hotel room. But yeah, it's well decorated, really nice ceiling decoration that I've just noticed there. A nice big king size bed, and you've also got a big desk here with a nice comfy leather chair, and you've got stationery, so you've got a ruler and scissors, elastic bands, everything that you might need. None of that we need for on this trip. I'm assuming this is for your laptop, although I'm not sure.
Yeah,
I'd say that. But yeah, really good workspace there. You've even got a couch, so a nice comfy couch to chill and watch the view. Complimentary fruit, apples and banana and orange. Not sure what that is. Is that papaya, is it?
Could be. It might be mango, I don't know. Mango.
Answers on a postcard. Leave any comments down below. It's a nice big LG flat screen. Excuse all the luggage. Now, because we have status here, we've got Jade status here at the Shangri-La, you do get some complimentary items. So you've got some chocolates, some Coke and some waters. I'm making use of those. And then as usual, you've got all the tea and coffee facilities, some snack items from the mini bar. And then you've got the actual fridge mini bar. Fairly well stocked, you've got some beers in there. There's no white wine, you've got a bottle of red wine at the top there. But you've got some more waters. Interestingly, you've only got scotch and vodka for spirits, but I'm sure if you rang them up, they'd bring some gin for you. Yeah, lots of storage space. Drawers. You've got the safe and more drawers. Shoehorns, are they shoehorns? What do they call they? They're those shoehorns?
You put your shoe. They keep the shape of the shoe, don't they? And
right.
you put it in the shoe to keep it looking nice.
For the cases.
Yeah.
Got some slippers in there. It's amazing actually. There's loads and loads of storage space. Loads. You've got the iron, another wardrobe, and then you've got a large bathroom, which is nice. Nice big sink unit. Got a shower. The shower's quite big as well. All the usual toiletries. The toiletries that Shangri-La use are Loctane, which is good. Although a lot of hotel chains are actually phasing these out now because it's a lot of single-use plastics, which of course we're trying to avoid. The bath, not sure if I like the bath. It's very shallow.
It's very shallow and very small.
Yeah. But I like the tiles, I like the decoration in here. So back into the room. do like the ceiling there. Very elegant, very nice. So one of the reasons we're in Manila, it's part of a trip to celebrate Ivan's birthday, and he's just been given a cake, and not 5 minutes ago, this is what happened.
5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, it's your birthday party now. We celebrate, forget all the worries, and that's all day. We should die of happiness to see your birthday. 5, 6, 7, 8. Happy birthday!
Thank you. It's really nice.
I don't know.
You weren't sure me, I could tell. You're lying.
Happy birthday, sir.
Thank you.
Make a wish, sir. Happy
Thank you.
birthday!
Oh, thank you so
Happy
much.
birthday. If you need anything else, my name is Heidi.
Thank you so much.
Malaysia,
Oh,
happy
that's
birthday.
lovely.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry, thank you.
Oh. So this is a den. It's a very cool little bar, hidden away, and it's invite only. So we got invited when we were sat in the executive lounge earlier. So yeah, it's invite only, and like I say, it's a secret door. Quite bizarre. So it's very SpeakEasy. So it's absolutely designed on the SpeakEasy type style bar. So we've got a menu. I'm going to have a vodka and something. I haven't said whether it's a vodka and tonic or vodka and orange yet. Ryan, what are you having? Gin and tonic. So we're going to have a couple of drinks, and we're going for a bite to eat in a sky bar.
And that's the Shangri-La Makati here in Manila. Hope you've enjoyed the video. The Shangri-La is a really nice hotel to stay if you're ever in this part of Manila. And in fact, the Shangri-La is one of our favourite hotel chains whenever we come to Asia.
Yeah, it is. It is. You know, we've from the check-in process through to, you know, the executive lounge. You know, I think it's been a great experience, hasn't it?
It was great. So we arranged for transport from the Shangri-La from the airport, where we were picked up straight away. As you saw in the minivan, we got given water and a cold towel, which is always great in these really hot Asian cities.
Yeah.
And as Ivan mentioned, we were met right at the door of the hotel and brought to our room, where we checked in the actual room. So it's really good. There are one or two downsides. As I mentioned, we were in an Horizon room, which does get us club access.
Yeah, and the lounge itself is nice. The staff are great, all right, but the lounge does get busy at peak times. So, you know, and there was one. So we've been here for 3 nights. On the second night, we had to wait, and then we got put into basically a meeting room whilst they waited for some tables in the lounge to become free. So it is a juggling act. Obviously, at peak
A little
time.
bit oversubscribed, yeah.
Yeah, you know,
especially
but-
on a weekend.
But the staff, they dealt with it, you know, as best they could, you know, and we did get a seat back in the main area eventually, didn't we?
Yeah, talking about oversubscribed as well, we did one morning in the main restaurant downstairs for breakfast, and that was really, really busy. It was quite chaotic. So it was a really good choice for breakfast, but it was quite chaotic, so we should mention that. Also, when we're coming back to staff as well, you saw again earlier on in the video, it's been Ivan's birthday during this trip, and he had a nice surprise, which was totally unsolicited by us in any way, shape or form. They just noticed that Ivan had recently had a birthday, and they brought me a birthday cake, even though your birthday was actually
It was a week,
6 days
6 days
beforehand.
before, yeah. So it was,
that was a really, really nice touch.
it was. So, and again, thank you to Heidi in guest relations for that. It was so appreciated. It was really nice, wasn't it?
It is.
You know.
And a really good thing about this view that we've had, this room even, has been the view. The view has been amazing. So, as always, we finish off by saying follow us on Facebook and subscribe to us on YouTube. And as we say goodbye, we'd just like to give you one last look of Manila. Thanks for watching.
See you later. Bye.